Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, I believe we are about to see one of the biggest opportunities in this entire cycle in the next few days. And at the end of this video, I am going to spell it out for you big time. Guys, one of the things we have been talking about over the last little bit in this space, of course, and we're hearing a lot about it, is real world asset tokenization. And we have just gotten some news regarding the XRP and XRP ledger about real world asset tokenization. That is massive. Now, for those that don't truly understand what real world asset tokenization is, guys, just check out this with me right over here. And this is coming out of Chainlink Labs. Now, Chainlink is not a blockchain, guys. It is an oracle to take off chain information and put that on chain, and it is partnered with massive amounts of these various ecosystems. Well, here is their definition for real world asset tokenizations. Basically, real world assets tokenization is in blockchain are digital assets, digital tokens that represent physical and traditional financial assets such as currencies, commodities, equities, and bonds. Real world asset tokenization is one of the largest market opportunities in the blockchain industry, with a potential market size in the hundreds of trillions of dollars. Did you hear that? Because right now, this whole space is what, 2.4, 2.6 trillion? And you're talking about the bringing on of hundreds of trillions? I believe that this is going to literally melt faces, guys, as it happens. Now, in theory, anything of value can be tokenized and brought on chain. This is why tokenized real world assets are a growing market segment in the digital asset industry, with an increasing number of projects looking to tokenize a wide variety of assets, including cash, commodities, guys, like gold, number one, real estate, and of course, much more, including debt. Now, what I'd like you to see is this right here, guys. This is real world asset tokenization, and it's a website, rwa.xyz. Now, this is their current global market overview. And it says, welcome to RWA XYZ. Discover every tokenized real world asset and the broader tokenization ecosystem, from asset managers to tokenization platforms to blockchain. Now, right now, you got distributed value. Look at that, 31.2 billion. The total asset holders over 892,000. Represented asset values, guys, look at this, 360 billion. Now, take a look right down here, because I want you to see this. Just in what, July of 2023, and we're practically there in July now of 2026. Look at the growth in real world asset tokenization from practically nothing into the multiple billions of dollars. So this is a major deal and a big time driver in the space. And I want to take you right down here because, guys, look at how this whole thing is kind of shaping out. You got venture capital, got a billion in there. You got non-government US debt, 1.4 billion. Active strategies, 1.4 billion. Stocks are already being tokenized, guys, to the tune of 1.5 billion. Specialty finance, another 1.5 billion. Asset-backed credit, 2.2 billion. And of course, commodities like gold, silver, and the like, 4.8 billion. But look over here, guys. Look at debt. $14.8 billion. Now, I want you to understand something. The debt market is the beating heart of all markets. Now, who controls debt markets? Well, guys, it is central banks that control debt markets because of the creation of the money, the lender of last resort, all that kind of stuff, and on and on and on. That right there is a massive tell to where we are going. A lot of people will come out and say, well, central banks are really not doing this and this, and all the banking industry, they don't want to, deal with the tokenization, this assets. I've heard all kinds of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and it is utter hogwash. And anybody that has any intelligence whatsoever knows exactly where we're going, because nations, practically every nation around the world, is in the process of developing a digital commodity, whether that be a central bank digital currency or, like it is here in the United States, a private public partnership with stablecoins, which obviously stablecoins are a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. They're monetary instruments. The only thing they're not is issued by a central bank. But to be a stable coin in the US system, what do you need? Well, you need to be securitized by US Treasuries. Guys, it's right there. They have a purchaser for their debt. That's what the Genius Act is all about. And you can see this is massive. And that tells me, guys, what's coming. What is coming is going to blow people's minds. And although right now we see our assets really not trading at high levels from what we would consider, but that does not diminish their potential. In fact, that is total market manipulation as far as I'm concerned, and we have seen so much of it. The liquidations on like crazy. In fact, in the last drop, do you get this? Over $4.8 billion of liquidation in this space. That is insane. Now, some news just came out today regarding XRP and the XRP ledger from Robinhood. And listen to this. Robinhood makes bullish confirmation about Ripple and XRP. Robinhood documented has put a notable data point on record. The document states that digital asset firm Ripple has tokenized hundreds of millions of dollars in real world assets on the XRP ledger. In fact, right now, guys, I think it's something like 3.7 billion already. Crypto analyst Steph's Crypto shared the filing with the XRP army, calling it massive for XRP. And of course it is. Now, the Robinhood document references Ripple's real-world asset tokenization activity directly alongside major institutional names. It cites BlackRock launching its first tokenized fund, which is Build, B-U-I-D-L. And on the Ethereum network, noting Goldman Sachs announced tokenization projects focused on real estate and money market funds. Ripple's XRP ledger activity appears in that same context. The filing also references McKinsey and Company's estimated that the market capitalization of tokenized funds could approach $2 trillion by 2030. And we just saw just in 2023, it was next to nothing. Here we are in 2026. It is going crazy. The next 4 years are going to be insane. And when you think, guys, you got the likes of BlackRock and Goldman Sachs, of course, JP Morgan, and a bunch of these major banks, these massive, massive trading houses and institutional banks, which of course form a lot of this whole economy. BlackRock has their thumb in every pie. Do you not see the potential for opportunity in there? Well, guys, I do. And of course, as we invest into this space, and you're watching all these major institutions do the same very thing, right? That one of the biggest things and challenges that we have faced in this space, of course, is how do we secure that and prevent all that, guys, the taxation that comes with it and all that kind of stuff. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, recently I signed up with iTRUST Capital, and they have linked up with me. We have a partnership right now. And I'll tell you, the thing I love about iTRUST Capital is the fact that you can literally build your investment retirement account, guys, utilizing your crypto, your digital assets. And you can do it in a way that by the time either your estate or you decided to ever sell, you may not even have to pay a dime in tax. It is massive. And it's not just crypto, guys, gold, silver, you name it. And what I want to show you right down here are some of the advantages that you've got. You've got the tax advantages. They charge 1% for, when you buy and sell crypto. There's no monthly fees. There is nothing like that. And in fact, guys, if you take a look at this, they're asking why open a tax advantage self-directed IRA. One of the key reasons, of course, is to use the associated tax benefits. Now, there's two types. There's their traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. And what they show you right down here as an example, let's say, look, you're dealing with an exchange. You buy some crypto, some Bitcoin. It increases. Your Bitcoin appreciates to the value of what, 60,000 bucks, and you sell it and you got a gain of 50 grand, which is phenomenal when you consider picking it up at, 10,000 bucks. With a capital gain rate of 15%, you're going to have to pay $7,500 in tax on that. Well, guys, with a Roth IRA, and you get that $10,000 worth of Bitcoin or XRP or Solana or Hedera Hashgraph or whatever, that value, let's say it does climb like that and you have that same 50,000, you do not even have to pay a penny in capital gains. And there are instances, in fact, I think it was, I'm just trying to think of the guy's name, and he's one of the PayPal mafia. And anyway, this guy had put in some money into his IRA, and as a result of holding it for such a long time, it literally climbed to the value of something like 5 billion, and not even having to pay. I think it was Peter Thiel that did it. Yep, and he didn't even have to pay any capital gains in that. And of course, Elizabeth Warren was losing her ever loving mind. But it's absolutely legal. It is something, guys, that we can do to avoid taxes. Avoid tax. See, there is a difference between tax avoidance and, of course, tax evasion. And guys, there are so many strategies that you can employ, and definitely employing a Roth IRA has got to be one of the very top. And guys, when you take a look at all that is in here, no monthly or annual fees, a 1%, transaction fee. That's it. You have, over spot, for gold, 125 bucks. That is very, very low. And if you're doing silver, it's only $8 over spot. Guys, it is absolutely phenomenal, and something else that they're providing for our community. If you sign up and you open up an account with them, and you fund that account, they're going to give you a $100 funding bonus right there. And we've got a link in the description where you can sign up for iTrust Capital. Now, something I want to bring up to you, and this I believe is going to represent the biggest opportunity that you and I have faced in this cycle. Guys, you know how I love to follow eGreg Crypto. Well, eGreg Crypto has been doing these charts for a long time as a technical analyst, and he's showing that we could see a drop that would represent just phenomenal opportunity in this space. And if you are out there and you are trying to make some really massive accumulation goals, guys, you have got to hear this. He's saying XRP entered June with a familiar historical setup. According to crypto analyst eGreg Crypto, in a new post, he shows that the month has repeatedly produced weakness during midterm years. His analysis focuses on past June performance and identifies price zones that could come into play if the pattern continues in June of 2026. Now, based on his figures, guys, take a look at some of these numbers. And in fact, if we actually see it, it would be amazing. In June of 2014, the market price dropped 17%. June of 2018, well, it dropped 39%. June of 2022, 32%. And so far for the June of 2026, guys, we have dropped 21%. Now, we may very well be somewhere there at the bottom, but look at what his TA is showing. We potentially could see, in terms of these of XRP and its bottom, if we reach the absolute bottom, now this would be mind-blowing as far as I'm concerned. And we actually hit, that minus point, 52, wherever, that 39, at that amount, guys, roughly there at that 81, 80 some cent range, that could be a massive opportunity. And in fact, he's saying a decline of 21.33% corresponds to about $1.01 on the chart. At 29.33, the average aligns to approximately about 95 cents. Matching the analyst statement, that average would place XRP around 94 cents. The deepest projection shows a 39.04% move that could point to 80 cents. And guys, if we saw XRP hit numbers like that, I believe that that will represent the greatest opportunity to accumulate that we have yet seen in this entire cycle. I believe that. Now, the thing is this, guys, you have to get out there, and I'm right now, Judy and I, we are accumulating. Of course, we're accumulating because our conviction about where we're going with real world asset tokenization and how this Clarity Act is going to have such a massive impact on this space. Because guys, right now you have got a major amount of institutions that cannot even touch this space, and it is pension funds. Well, I'll tell you what, post Clarity, they are biting at the bit to get into this space. And when you are talking pension funds, guys, you're talking into the trillions of dollars. And this is what could absolutely rocket XRP off, guys, into those three figures. Now, I wanted to show another analyst as well. So this is a level This analyst is saying we have waited for months. Why? Because, guys, it's not the time to panic. It is the time to pounce. And I want you to take a look at this. So XRP has reached a technical level that analyst Cassie Trades has been monitoring for months. This has shifted the focus from recent decline to market's next move. In a recent post, the analyst said the support has been reached. Now we watch the reaction, placing attention on whether buyers can build momentum from this level. According to her post, XRP reached the major 7.8 or 0.786 macro support at $1.09 perfectly. The attached daily chart suggests that the Fibonacci level is near that $1.09. We may have very well have hit the bottom, but we could see some opportunity. Now, the analyst centers on how the price behaves after touching that support rather than treating the level as a final destination. And here she is, guys, right down here where we're at. And look at what she's got down here. The same thing as what eGrad Crypto is saying there, guys. A price of around at a bottom of about 85 cents. And look where it bounces from there. Actually, when we hit that, and that being the bottom, these TA guys, they are all saying that we are going to fly. And I'm going to tell you what, Judy and I, we've got our dry powder on the side. And of course, we look for these opportunities. It was in the dips, guys, that we had bought during that cycle and accumulated, so that by the time it took off into space, it changed our lives. Now, that is our 100% biased opinion, and I am encouraging you to get out there and research it and come to those conclusions, because the conviction you get in here, guys, not just watching YouTube. YouTube is great for confluence, but guys, it is not conviction. It is not the same thing. It is not research. Get out and research this. And guys, avail yourself of every opportunity that you can to keep as much of your wealth as you possibly can after price appreciation. So I'll tell you what, guys, until tomorrow, we're going to have another fantastic video. Guys, have a fabulous one and take care.